Hello and welcome to FountainFX on Friday the 3rd of October 2014. Today is Non-Farm Payrolls Day. That's the old name for it. They actually call it Non-Farm Employment Exchange. Basically means there's a lot of major data coming out of the US. This is the major day, the major statistics day for the US. Basically it's looking at how much employment or how many jobs have been created or lost. Previous month they had 142,000 new jobs. This month they are predicting 216,000 new jobs in the United States. So should this achieve this or be more than that, expect the US dollar to gain strength. If it's less than this, probably expect the US dollar to fall a little. So we're looking at this mainly today, this afternoon. It comes out at 2:30 South Africa time. So it's something to take a look at. Now, I'd said that I would take a look at the US dollar South African rand, which we're going to do just now. Hang on. And looking at the chart, we're looking on the 4 hour, just to keep it simple, and price has been very much since the beginning of September, the whole month of September, the US dollar has been gaining strength against the South African rand. It may not seem very fair on the rand, but it's actually, the US dollar has been gaining strength against most currencies, to be brutally frank. So therefore the rand's just one of many currencies that has actually suffered in terms of its value from that. One thing to note on this trend line is that towards the end, basically on the 30th of September, Monday this week, we saw a break in this upwards trend line, and we now saw price start to fall. You can see this sort of step pattern that's forming. But today it's going sideways. Why is it going sideways? Well, because there's major data on the US dollar coming out. So this might just be, if I get rid of this trend line, this might just be a stall, a simple pullback into another area of demand where price is then going to continue to push up with the US dollar. What I would say is if you're going to trade it live, I would look to see about breakouts and look for opportunities there. If not, I would wait until Monday, take a look at it over the weekend, and then look to trade accordingly on Monday once we've seen the outcome of the US dollar statistics. But if we go down into the 15-minute chart, just to show you how we can look for an opportunity, we can see that price is really very much going sideways at the moment. I'm just going to slide that to one side. So we actually have an area of support down here at the 11.17. So price has come down as low as that, and an area of resistance up here. If we draw that along here at the 11.22. So there's only sort of 5 cents difference between the two levels. But that does work out at 50 points when you're actually trading this currency. So be aware of that. There is a certain degree of volatility on the US dollar rand, or even on the euro rand and the pound rand. So it's today is non-farm payrolls day. Expect there to be some movement, but prior to that, don't expect the currency to move very much at all. If you look here, very, very small movements. I mean, each one of these bars is 15 minutes. It's not like a minute or a second or whatever. This is 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, it moved a grand total of, the high was 17.95 and the low was 17.88. So it moved a grand total of something like 1.7 pips there. So nothing too exciting. So that shows you how low it's been, but it's because it's waiting. The market's really waiting for the US data to come out. You may see some movement beforehand. If we go back to a simple principle on news trading, if you see the price start to rally before the news comes out and it does start to push up and create new highs, as in break above this level here, then expect once the news comes out the price will then start to fall. Because the typical scenario in news trading is you buy the rumor and you sell the news. So expect price to see price go up because it's news on the US dollar. If it was news on the rand, it would be different, but the US dollar is the primary currency on this trading pair. So if you see the price go up before the news comes out, then look to see if price starts to fall and then take it in that direction. So That's really it from FountainFX. Happy trading. We will catch you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Cheers. Bye bye.